Are you constantly juggling work and personal life, feeling like there's never enough time? Welcome back to my channel, where we challenge, grow, and succeed together.
Engineering, a demanding field. Long hours, complex projects, constant learning. It's easy to feel overwhelmed, off balance. But success doesn't mean sacrificing your life. Balance is possible. It requires strategy, discipline, self-awareness. This essay? Your guide to navigating the engineering tightrope. Prioritization, your secret weapon. First, list all tasks, both professional and personal. Second, rank them by importance and urgency. High-impact items first. Delegate or eliminate less important tasks. This creates focus, reduces overwhelm. A balanced schedule, your roadmap to success. Allocate time for work, yes, but also for rest, hobbies, relationships. Don't neglect sleep, exercise, healthy eating. Schedule downtime like meetings. This prevents burnout, increases productivity. Saying no, a skill, not a weakness. Overcommitting leads to stress, poor performance. Learn to politely decline extra tasks, social events, anything not aligned with your goals. This protects your time, energy, mental well-being. Remember, your well-being is paramount. Seek support from friends, family, mentors, take breaks, recharge. Engineering is a marathon, not a sprint. Balance leads to a more fulfilling, successful journey.